Hazrat Abu Hazim states that Hazrat Sahil bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu did not like any of his names more than Abu Turab, and when he was called by it, he felt extreme felicity. Once Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to Hazrat Fatima's house and asked, "Where is your cousin?" She replied, "There has occurred a tiff between me and him. So he, being cross with me, has gone out and not stayed with me." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to someone, "Look where he has gone." He went away, and then after coming back, he submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is lying in the mosque." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went there while he was still lying there, whereas his chadur has fallen down from his side and got dusty. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shaking the dust off his body, said, "Abu Turab, get up. Abu Turab, get up." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6280.